honorable judges, respected teachers, and my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. This is Prisha Jaiswal from class 1. Before I start my experiment, I would like to ask all of you an interesting question. Can you please tell me that how many of you love to drink yummy, tangy, refreshing glass of lemonade? Yes, even I love to drink it at any time of the day. But do you know that besides tickling our taste buds, lemon has many other splendid uses as well. You will be astonished to hear that this simple lemon can turn into a battery. Isn't that incredible, guys?
Yes.
Let me demonstrate this to you. The name of my experiment is the lemon battery. Our aim is to light up the LED with the help of lemons. For this, we need some equipment like 4 lemons, 4 copper plates, 4 zinc plates, some wires, some alligator pins, and 1 LED. First of all, we need to put the lemons inside a tray. Okay. Now, I need to insert 1 copper plate and 1 zinc plate into each lemon so it becomes a battery. See, like this. But you have to be careful that there should not be 2 copper plates or 2 zinc plates in 1 lemon. Otherwise, the LED will not glow. You also have to be careful that the copper plate and the zinc plate should not touch each other from inside or from outside. Now, I will put zinc plates. Now I will put copper plates. Now I will put zinc plates. Now I will put copper plates. Now, as you all can see that I have connected all of the lemons with the help of these wires. I have left 2 free ends with the alligator pin. Finally, I will attach both the alligator pins on the legs of the LED. Now you can see that the LED is not glowing. That means I have to correct one thing. See, the wire was not attached properly to the alligator, to the copper plate. Let me touch it to the copper plate. Eureka! The LED is glowing. We observed from this experiment that the current flowing through the wires generates enough electricity to light